project is to stabilize the dune and the base of the Cape Henry Lighthouse, essentially putting in a couple of retaining walls, one around the periphery of the site and then one just around the lighthouse itself. Now with the capping really the top of the dune in place, it can't erode from the top anyway. We're in a good spot because we've just completed the last concrete pour. So the hardest part of the project is really behind us. We're still on target for completion in March of 2019. A historic preservation project like this really helps to solidify the history of our locality and of our country. It's really something that everyone should be concerned about because it represents us.